Got a call from my buddy Mike here, all the way from Georgia. So he wants to come and shoot some hogs. Got some this cool little deal he's put together and invented. What you got there, man?
And this is 3D night vision. It just snaps on behind your red dot and gives you night vision. You're good to go. Wanted to get some video, hopefully kill one of these big North Carolina hogs you've been telling me about.
Heck yeah. Yeah, well, the night vision did great, man. It worked awesome. As you guys can see from the footage, he was able to get on those hogs and pop one, and I'm really impressed with it, man. I think it worked great. But we're gonna get to work. We got to skin this pig and send Michael home with some North Carolina bacon.
That's it, a whole bunch of them.
Well, congratulations, man.
Thank you, thank you. This is my first hog ever.